So we have made it to Mangalia. And we are here at the Andersons. Say what's up. Say hello.
Hello.
There we go. And everyone's going to the beach.
Hi.
There we go.
I have my bathing suit on.
Oh.
Under my shorts.
All right. Are you going swimming?
Yes.
All right. So we are. I'm not going to the beach. Chris, are you going to the beach? We're gonna go put up the signs, which is a lot more fun than going. I don't know, me and sand. So all these guys are preparing. Where's Duchess? Does she have to go to her room?
Duchess, what are you doing?
I want to show you Duchess.
Duchess,
Come, this is Duchess. Duchess, come here. Say hello, Duchess. Say hello. Oh. There we go. Duchess is like our Harley. And our dog hopefully is going to get about this big.
Wait. You have a hat.
Good girl, Duchess. Good girl. Oh.
Watch out for me.
I am loved by a dog. I'm loved. She's licking me. We're going upstairs now to see the bunnies. I will show you baby bunnies. Here we go. Let me flip it.
Look at everyone else.
Baby
Mia,
bunnies.
tell everyone to come.
Before I touch
they?
one, before I touch
Oh,
one,
here they are. And they're
They've grown so much.
I know. Are their eyes open?
Not yet, but in
Thursday.
a couple days. Thursday, their eyes will open.
It's so
Oh
cute.
my goodness, they are like 3 times the size of when they were born.
They're
Yeah.
3.8 ounces now.
Oh,
Little tiny
wiggle.
bunny rabbits.
And they cuddle together when they're touching each other.
All right, I'm out here with Chris at his soon-to-be summer kiosk, summer cafe. We're hanging signs, and he's ready to go. Other than waiting on authorization and those people called the health people to come in. So this is his spot. So here's one of his first sign on this bar here. We're gonna hang one up there. We're gonna hang one on the side. And then if you look right over here, try not to get any hoochie mamas. You got the beach right there. So he's right in a good spot right here to make some money. So actually all the kids and everyone, they're out here at the beach, somewhere out there. I'll give you a little quick view. So he's right on what they call the palazzo or the boardwalk. So we gotta get him up and running hopefully by the weekend. All right, we have got a dirty screen. We have finished hanging the signs, getting stuff ready. So this is Chris's little spot over here. Here's the beach in Mangalia. Good view. The suns went down, so everybody kind of disappeared, including the family. They already headed back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip the camera around, do a walk up, see how the signs look. That way Chris can see it too. All right, here we go. So this is walking up from the beach. Chris's car will not be here. There we go. American style milkshake, alms coffee, milkshake lemonade, soda, 60 ice, probably some more. Oh look, there's an American guy selling American stuff. Looks good. We got to get him a menu up on this left side. Otherwise, today's a few famous, huh? Oh, no. Looks good, man. I would like a milkshake now, please. Yeah, I think a menu right there. It's gonna be your best bet. A really big one. So I got home. Take these off. Oh, and my puppies are loving on me. Dixie. Hey, can you say hello? Can you say hello? Come here. Dixie. Yeah, that's good baby. And I couldn't keep going with these girls. So they went to the dolphin show in the zoo. Cookie, oh, cookie. Ugh. And I told them I was coming home to go to sleep because they're wearing me out. So, but I wanted to show you guys Dixie, how big she's gotten. Oh, Cookie quit. So, this is how big Dixie's gotten so far. She's big. She's getting so big we can't even keep up on her food. She eats like a horse. But, I think I'm going to go lay down. Maybe I should quit, Cookie. Maybe I should film like myself sleeping in fast mode. Or something. Dixie, can you say hello? Can you say hello? Look at him. Look at that baby. Look at it. Oh, Cookie, quit looking at my face. Quit looking at my face. Quit looking at my face. So I'm loving on my puppies. Loving on my puppies. She's such a good look at how much. They're almost the same size when Dixie came.
What are y'all doing?
Well, I'm playing with Dixie.
Mm-hmm.
And Mila's hurting her.
No.
She's not letting me play with Dixie.
Dixie's a big dog. She's a big girl.
Me too.
Love on her. Love on the baby. Oh, there you go. Dixie. Dixie. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.